does respect mean? I ran across the derivation of the word respect. It's from a Latin word that means to look again. Have you ever done that? Done a double take? Come on now. Come on. When you met your significant other, maybe this took place. So we know what it means to look again, right? Yeah, we get that. That's what respect means. It's the exact opposite of profiling. A quick judgment. Yeah, I don't like the way that person dresses. I don't like the way that person does this or that or the other. Actually, when you get right down to it, if we're going to look again, then what we're going to do is perhaps find something good about that person.